Are you tired of juggling multiple pots and pans while preparing a meal? This Mano 12.6-inch steamer pot is here to simplify your cooking process. This two-tier stainless steel steamer is not just designed to steam vegetables and dumplings, it's an incredibly versatile cookware that can handle everything from soups and stocks to steaming seafood. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the Mano Steamer Pot brings efficiency, convenience, and durability to your kitchen. Let's dive into why this multi-purpose cookware is becoming a household favorite, and why it's worth considering for your next kitchen upgrade. Why choose the Mano Steamer Pot for cooking? If you've been searching for a high-quality, durable steamer pot that also offers versatility, look no further than the Mano Steamer Pot for cooking. Below are the standout features and benefits that make this product an essential addition to any kitchen. Number 1. Premium stainless steel construction. The Mano Steamer Pot is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it's durable, resistant to corrosion, and easy to clean. Unlike other cookware that may rust or stain over time, this steamer pot is built to last. The smooth internal mirror finish reduces food sticking, while the brushed external surface provides resistance against scratches and wear. Number 2. Multi-purpose design for versatile cooking. One of the most appealing aspects of the Mano Steamer Pot is its multifunctionality. Not only does it serve as a traditional steamer, but it can also be used as a stock pot or cooking pot. Whether you're making a batch of steamed dumplings, boiling pasta, simmering soups, or preparing flavorful stews, this steamer pot can handle it all. Number 3. Unique arched lid design for enhanced cooking space. The arched lid design is a clever feature of the Mano Steamer Pot. It increases the cooking space inside the steamer, allowing you to cook larger batches of food without compromising the steam circulation. The transparent glass lid lets you monitor the cooking process without needing to open the lid constantly, which helps lock in flavors and moisture. Number 4. Energy-efficient cooking with fast heat conduction. Equipped with a ring bottom design, the Mano Steamer Pot ensures fast heat conduction. This feature ensures that your food cooks evenly, saving you time and energy. Whether you're steaming delicate vegetables or boiling hearty soups, the fast heat conduction ensures your meals are ready in no time. Number 5. Convenient handles for easy and safe handling. The Mano Steamer Pot comes with specially designed handles on both sides, making it easier and safer to lift and move the pot, even when it's hot. The heat-resistant design ensures you won't burn yourself while handling the steamer, giving you peace of mind while cooking. Number 6. Compatibility with multiple heat sources. The Mano Steamer Pot is compatible with a variety of cooking methods, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you have a gas stove, induction cooktop, halogen oven, or electric stove, this steamer pot will work perfectly on all types of heat sources. Number 7. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. After enjoying a hearty meal, the last thing you want to do is spend time scrubbing pots and pans. Fortunately, the Mano Steamer Pot is dishwasher safe, allowing for easy cleanup. With its stainless steel construction, it's resistant to food buildup, and a quick rinse is all it takes to keep it looking brand new. Pros and cons of the Mano 12.6-inch steamer pot. Pros: durable and high-quality stainless steel ensures long-lasting use. Two-tier steaming design saves time and makes meal prep easier. Arched lid and transparent glass allow for better steam circulation and easy monitoring. Energy efficient with fast heat conduction for quicker cooking. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Comfortable heat-resistant handles for safe handling. Cons: size may be large for small kitchens. This steamer pot is best for families or larger meals. Weight: the size and design may make it slightly heavier than other steamers. Final verdict: is the Mano 12.6-inch steamer pot worth it? If you're looking for a multifunctional steamer pot that can streamline your cooking process, the Mano 12.6-inch steamer pot is an excellent choice. Its premium stainless steel construction, energy-efficient design, and versatile cooking capabilities make it an ideal addition to any kitchen. Whether you're preparing a large family meal or a quick weekday dinner, this steamer pot can handle it all with ease. From its two-tier steaming design to its heat-resistant handles and easy-to-clean features, the Mano Steamer Pot is built for convenience, durability, and performance. Click the link in the description below to check out the full product specifications and make this fantastic steamer pot yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.